Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Dashdot on Umbrel OS using Big Bear Umbrel App Store. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over a home lab, so I'm going to installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So this is the Dashdot website, and it's a modern server dashboard. That's what it looks like. It's pretty neat. It's feature rich with dark and light mode, customizable widgets, a beautiful animations and styles, support for multiple architectures, a lot of personalization options. They do have a Discord and a GitHub, so you can go on there and look at the code and see what you'll be installing. So there's the dark and the light mode right there. We will be installing this with Docker on the back end of Umbrel. So let's get it installed. So we're going to start on Big Bear Umbrel, and I'll have a link down in the description to get to it. We're going to go into a Big Bear Umbrel Dashdot right here. This was contributed by Tor. He helps me out with different repos for the Big Bear community. So now I'm going to go to Docker Compose and a version 3.5 of Docker Compose. We're going to set up a proxy for the Umbrel. We're going to have the server, and we're going to get the Dashdot Docker container, the latest tag. We're going to set up a volume for the host, and then environments is Dashdot enable CPU temps true. You can put your different environment variables here, and then a restart unless stopped. So if you stop it for any reason, it will not try to restart. But if it fails for any reason, it will try to restart. And then privileged is true. The Umbrel app shows the description of what the app is doing in the App Store. So description, and then icons, taglines, different things like that. It's listening on 7209 for the proxy. So this port is for the proxy. And then the 3001 goes into the Docker container right here. So the Docker container is not directly exposed. So that's the Big Bear Umbrel Dashdot. And we'll go over to code right here. We'll go to HTTPS. Then we're going to go copy. And then we're going to go over to Umbrel and get the App Store installed. So I'm going to start with a install of Umbrel. Then I'm going to go down to App Store down here. I'm going to go to the dots. Then I'm going to go to Community App Stores. Then it's going to give you a warning because it's Community App Store. And then I'm going to paste it in. And once you paste it in, you'll say add right here. And then it's added. So now you can open it. And then now you can see Dash over here. So you can see the screenshots, what it's about, the version, description, what's changed. So now we can go over here and we can say install. It's going to give you a little warning because it's Community App Store, but you can say I understand, continue. Whenever you install anything on self-hosted, you always need to look at the code and see what you're installing. So now I'm going to go and open it and see if it works. It does work. You can see that it's showing network, memory, processor, storage. It's pretty neat. You can do dark mode, light mode, show all cores. It shows you what the free space is on the disk. Then the memory down here. And then the network activity. So pretty neat. So that's how to get Dashdot working on Umbrel OS. So I just walked you through step by step on using Big Bear Umbrel to install Dashdot. So this makes it where you can see your statistics for your server. and this is really cool, so I thought I'd do a video on it. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need support, you can go down in our Big Bear community link down in the YouTube description and join our Discord. And stay tuned for more.